Hi everyone. My name is Nilesh, and this is my day one video. So let me first explain you the purpose of making this video. So I'm a coding instructor. I teach USA and Canada um, students. I teach them. But the purpose of making this video is because I want to start a channel and I want to make YouTube videos in English. But the problem here is I'm a little bit insecure with my English. I know, might you're thinking like if I'm a coding teacher and if I teach USA and Canada students, then why I'm not very comfortable with this? The reason is because Hindi is my mother tongue, and when I speak in Hindi, I speak with my soul. But English is not my language. I just learned it, and I think I make a lot of grammatical mistakes. Also, when I teach students, okay, when I teach them, it is two-way communication. Okay, so they ask me question if they have any issue, and I'm not the only person who speak during the whole session. Even they speak something if they are not understanding, and they show me their what we say their I don't know, I'm not getting a proper word, but they give me the output. They give me, you know, I get a feedback. Okay, I get a feedback. Whatever I'm teaching, I understand if they are able to understand or not. But when I'm making a video, it's completely one way communication. So I have to imagine, I have to think, I have to guess everything, and accordingly, I have to make video. So I'm a little bit insecure by this. So I thought first I'm gonna make like 10 days, 30 days video, just randomly speaking about something. And then when I feel like I'm comfortable enough, then I will start. Okay. First, I thought I'm not going to upload this video. I will make this video just for myself. And even I have made the video, even I have made the video. And then the video is just in the folder, and at the end I just said, I'm not going to upload this video, so I started making a new one. I think the previous video was much better than this one, but okay, fine. So in this particular video, I'm gonna teach you variables. Okay, the Python variables. Why? Because variable is one of the easiest easiest, or I would say this is very basic of coding. This is very basic of coding. And why Python language? Because Python language is one of the easiest language. So also if I compare with Java, uh, the variable is comparatively less. Okay. So I'm going with Python. And the fun part is I'm not going to use any kind of pen tab or anything or my screen. As you can see, I'm just sitting here on Zoom and I started the recording because I want to make sure that v- like it should be easy for me. Like I don't have to think twice when I start making video. Setting up the camera, setting up the light, clearing my green screen and all. I don't want to do that. I just want to sit. I'm just going to speak. I'm not going to put title. I mean, not any kind of editing. I'm just gonna put the raw video. Okay. So there is nothing I have written somewhere. I look down. The reason why, because I think and then I speak. That's why most of the time you will going to see me looking down. So let's talk about the variable. Okay. Um, the first variable is string. Okay. String is very interesting. Why? Because it's a string. I'm sorry. So the point here is when you add something, when you write something inside inverted commas, okay, it can be anything. It can be single letter, it can be multiple letters, I mean words, it can be a sentence. It can be statements, it can be symbols, it can be number, anything. So if something is inside inverted comma is called a string. Okay, very simple. Now let me explain you about integer. No, I'm not done with string yet because there is something I need to explain you, but let's talk about integer first. So integer is, you don't need inverted commas. You can directly go with numbers. The number can start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and it can go till positive infinite, and also it can go till it can go negative as well. Okay, it can go -1, -2, -3, and negative infinite. But then, as I told you, we can use numbers inside a string. Okay, we can put a string, put numbers inside string. So why we have separate variable as integer? So the problem with the string is, let's say you have two variables, a and b. A is having 10, A is having a value 10 inside inverted commas, and you're having B, which is, again, it is having a value, which is having uh, 10, again, string inside inverted commas. So if you try to add both the variables A and B, what will be the result? So if you're a beginner, which I'm assuming right now, you're a beginner, you will get the result something, but you will going to think you're supposed to get 20. Okay, because 10, 10, you're supposed to get 20. A is assigned with 10 and B is assigned with 10 inside inverted commas. They are having both the same values. So might you will think you supposed to get 20, but you will not get 20. You will get 1010, 1010, or like if you're from USA or Canada, 1010. Okay. Uh, and that's the problem with string. The problem is you cannot do a mathematical operation with string. First, you have to convert. If you want the result 20, you need to convert the strings into integer or might be float, which I'm going to explain you later. Then only you will be able to do mathematical operation. So you will get 1010, which is 1010, and sometime might you need that result. Okay, so if you add two string, you will get a concatenation, you will not get an addition. Now let's talk about the integer, which I have already explained you. It's basically a number without inverted commas. You can do mathematical operation. If a is 10 without inverted commas, if b is 10 without inverted commas, and if you add them, you will get the result 20. It will not get concatenated. I don't know if I'm able to explain you in a very proper way, if I'm making sense or not, but I'm just trying myself. Okay, so please forgive me. Also, this is not something I'm like please forgive me, but this video is just to get rid of my insecurities. Okay, so please don't get offended. The point here is, if I will not get, I'm not looking for any subscriber or anything for this particular channel. Okay. Okay, anyways, so let's talk about the float now. So what is the difference between integer and float? The float name says like floating something, right? Floating something. I don't know why, but uh, it will be something. It will be something like the float is a number, but having a decimal. So 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. But technically, all the integer is float. How? 5 equal 5.0. They both are same, right? But because uh, the right side is having a decimal after 5, okay, this is called float, and this left side is not having a decimal, it is integer. Okay, so this is the difference between integer and float. Now let's talk about Boolean. Boolean is one of the important, one of the most important, I would say. Why? Because A boolean, with the help of boolean you can put the conditions. Okay, you can use this condition in loops, you can use this condition in if and else, you can use it wherever it is required. Okay, because like if, when you're creating a program you need to put a lot of conditions, so you need boolean. Boolean is only having two values, true and false, with capital T and with capital F. With Python, you need to go with capital letter, like the starting. And with other language, it differs language to language. So let's say if it is x equal 5, and if I put the condition x is less than 5, so is this condition true or false? False. If I say x is greater than 5, it's false. If I say x equal, when we are comparing something, we always put double equal. So if I say x equal 5, is it true or false? Obviously it is true. Okay. So this was everything. I hope, I don't know, because this is not an entertainment video, so I'm not supposed to say you like or not, but if you have any opinion for me, you can comment down. Okay. Please don't abuse me. Uh, Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.